Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about another money-making channel idea on YouTube that will not require you to show your face or use your voice, but still allow you to get hundreds of thousands of subscribers just like the ones over here. And besides the high subscriber count, you can also make a ton from AdSense. Stick around for the entire video so I can show you everything there is to know about how you can create a channel in this niche. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the channel where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. If this is the kind of content that you're interested in, then please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below because it really supports our channel. And with that said, let's get right into the video. The niche I'm talking about today is the movie niche. And a lot of money is being made by these clever YouTubers who don't even need to create their own content. Don't skip ahead because I'll be going through each of the steps with you so you can do this yourself right after watching this video. Let's first take a look at some channels for inspiration so you can see just how well they're doing and how they're reeling in the big bucks. So this first channel is called The Canadian Lad. He makes videos about movie theories, reviews, and Easter eggs. He has 1.34 million subscribers, gets paid sponsorships on his channel, and according to Social Blade, he's gotten around 280 million channel views and earns between $3,000 to $51,000 each and every month. I mean, this guy never even shows his face. He uses video clips and photos from existing movies and their trailers, and he's making a ton of money. We have another channel over here called Movie Clips Trailers, and they basically show snippets of movie trailers along with commentaries and reviews, and people are just totally buying it. On Social Blade, you'll see that they've gotten over 12.5 billion views, they've got 15.5 million subscribers, and they make as much as $139,000 each month. So let me show you just one last channel in this niche, and it's called Mystery Recap. I feel like this channel really shows you the power of this category because, as you can see, this channel was only started a few months ago, but it already has 900,000 subscribers and has gotten 210 million channel views. Incredible! And did I forget to mention that it only has 103 videos? I mean, come on guys. Talking about this is really getting me pumped, so please allow me to show you how you can make this channel for yourself right now. The first thing you'll need to do would be obviously to look for a movie to review. There are some channels that are dedicated to specific genres like suspense, horror, or even just Marvel movies, and others that cover everything classified as a movie. So you can pick whichever one you like and then make a list of movies that you want to feature in your own channel. When you have that figured out, you can simply use any free YouTube video downloader like savefrom.net, yt5s.com, or whatever else that's available to get copies of the trailer and movie clips that you can use in your video. Now, in case you didn't notice from the clips I showed you earlier, the reason why I call these channel owners clever is because despite the fact that they're reusing content and text that someone else made, they're able to find their way around copyright strikes. They do this by only using a few seconds of the original video instead of playing it for over 5. This makes the content fair use and allows these channels to monetize the videos without a hitch. So the next thing you'd need to do for your video would be to create a review, a commentary, or a summary. Again, you can easily do this without writing anything yourself. Instead, you can just search for the movie title on Google, along with the terms detailed review, detailed commentary, or detailed synopsis, and depending on how popular the movie is, you should get a ton of write-ups and be able to use these for your video. Again, the thing you need to be careful about would be copyright strikes filed against you. So to avoid any issues, you'll need to paraphrase or reword whatever you find instead of using it verbatim. So there are 3 ways that you can do this. The first one would be by paraphrasing the material yourself. And the second way would be by using a software just like Spinbot, wherein you can enter the movie summary or review that you found, and it will rewrite the text for you. The third way would be to hire someone on Upwork or Fiverr to do the work for you for anywhere between $7 to $10. I've worked with a ton of freelancers on both these sites, and as you can see, their rates are really good and a lot of them have been getting great reviews as well. Whatever you choose, please just make sure you do this for step 2 and then you can move on to recording. Now again, to record the voiceover, there are 3 ways that you can do it. You can do it by the style of the Canadian lad and read the summary yourself. You can also go back to Upwork or Fiverr and look for a voiceover artist to do the work for you. Prices should start at around $10 for 100 words, but there are a lot of great talents there to make your channel sound professional. The third way I will share with you is a rising trend, and it's by using a software that uses artificial intelligence to convert text files into speech. Many call this the robot voice. So there are free and paid versions available, and let me quickly show you both. So many channels across different categories are using this particular way to record their script because it's either free or it's very cost-effective to do. And this free service is called voicemaker.in. And to show you how it works, you'll need to copy a maximum of 250 characters worth of your script, paste it in this chat box, click on Convert the Text to Speech, and then download it as an MP3, which you can then use when you edit your video. The free version already comes with different voices that you can choose from, so that's great to have. Whereas the paid AI text-to-speech converter that you can use is called speechhello.com. It's a one-time payment of $47, and it's up to you to evaluate if you'd like to make this kind of investment up front. Pardon the interruption, but if you're enjoying the video so far, then I would really appreciate it if you liked, commented, shared, subscribed, and hit the notification bell down below to show us some love. Thank you so much, and for now, let's talk about the last thing you're going to need for your channel, and it's a video editing software. Okay, so what I'm going to share with you, I've already mentioned in a couple of my other videos because I really do enjoy using it. It's called openshot.org. It's a wonderful and completely free video editing software with a beginner-friendly user interface. Now to show you quickly how OpenShot works, simply open the program and you'll see a project files panel and a window for the video preview. Below both these, you'll see the project timeline, and what you'll need to do would be to import the files by opening them right here, or you can also choose to manually drag and drop them from your folder. Now, once you have your files ready, you can drag and drop or just arrange them so that they appear at the same time, just like this. Don't worry, the video preview option does come in handy and you can adjust your video until you're happy with it. Obviously, once you're done, you'll be ready to upload. So to do a quick recap, here are the steps that you'll need to take in order to create the videos in this niche while avoiding any copyright strikes against you. Step 1, download movie trailers and clips from the internet. Step 2, look for a summary and/or a review. Step 3, paraphrase that text. Step 4, work on the voiceover. Step 5, stitch the videos together. And step 6, post the finished product on YouTube. As always, if you found any value in our content today, then please let us know by liking, sharing, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell down below. Also, let us know in the comments section what kind of money-making videos you'll want to see next, and we'll be happy to work on those for you. We have a ton of other ideas in our pipeline, so do watch out for those. But if you like this idea, then do get started right away, because tomorrow you will only wish that you had started sooner. Leaving some links for you to binge watch after this, and I hope you enjoyed those videos too. Take care and see you again on the next one.